The dual mounting system has been engineered to allow two different layouts of installations, saddle mount and upright with just one tank. This is possible thanks to our technical vision that separates the tank from the mounting kit. This allows an easy installation thanks to the ergonomic shape of the supports and straps. Another important strength is that the separate mounting kit is more efficient in terms of vibration damping. The multi-fitting system is also at our customers' disposal to guarantee an increased efficiency on their spare parts and logistics management. With just one tank and two mounting kits, it is possible to meet the requirements for two different installation layouts.